Good morning students. Today I'm gonna teach 9th maths 3rd chapter polynomials. Continuation of the previous video. So standard form of a polynomial. So how will you write to standard form? So if you have given with the polynomial, if it is in the form 7x power 4 plus 2x 8 plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. So this is one given polynomial. So how will you write this in standard form if they ask to write? When you are solving, sometimes you have to when you are solving you have to write it in the standard form. So how will you write? Standard form means you have to see the variables power, means degree. So highest power is there, no, that you have to write first. So it should be in the decreasing order. Here highest is 8, right? Then next highest is 4. So it should be in the decrease, power should be in the decreasing order. So I'll write this as p of x is equals to highest power is this, take 2x power 8 plus 7x power 4, then plus 3x square minus 2x, then last will be the constant. So it should be in the decreasing, power should be in the decreasing order. So how will we write this in general form? Standard form of a polynomial in general term. So general term will be like this: an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus etc. plus a1x plus a0. So this is the general form, standard form of polynomial in the general terms. This is in general terms. Using variable we are writing an x power n, so here a terms are there, no, an minus 1, an minus 2, etc., a1, a0. These are all the, this is a coefficient of x power n. An minus 1 is a coefficient of x power n minus 1. What is the coefficient? I have explained in the previous videos. But so in a polynomial, that variable x together with variable, there will be one constant, right? That is called as coefficient of that variable. So here, so these are all constants, okay, where a0, a1, a2, etc., an are constants, and an is not equals to 0. This will not equals to 0. If this is 0, the whole term will be 0, right? That is. Then if they ask what is the power, higher degree, what is the degree of this polynomial? What will you say? Degree means what? Highest power in that polynomial. So highest power is n, right? So degree of the polynomial will be n. Next we'll study zeros of polynomial, or we can also say zeros as root of the polynomial. Okay, zeros or root is one and the same. So zeros of polynomial. Let me write one question. So first question, write the zero of the polynomial x plus 2. So if they have asked like this, you have to find what? Zero of the polynomial x plus 2. So the given polynomial is x plus 2. So to find the zero or root, what you have to do? You have to equate it to 0. So x plus 2 is equals to 0 you have to make, and you have to find what here? You have to find the value of x, that is the 0 or root. So x, you want x, right? You will keep x, then rest you will take to right hand side. So when you take plus 2 to other side, what it becomes? Plus becomes minus. So x equals to minus 2. So therefore minus 2 is the what? 0 of the polynomial, x plus 2. So if they asked you to find 0 or root of the polynomial, what you have to do? You have to equate it to 0, equals to 0 you have to write, then you have to find the value of x. So that becomes the 0 of that polynomial. Second question, find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for the polynomial p of y, that is y square minus y plus 1. One more question, why they have written p of y and why I have written p of x is here? Because what, in the polynomial they have wrote given the variable x, so we have written x. So here only y terms are there, so I have written y. So they have asked you to find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. So how will you find? So in the place of y you have to substitute 0 and find the value, and then p of 1, then p of 2. So first we will find p of 0. How? In the place of y you have to substitute 0. Wherever y is there you have to substitute 0. So y, here y. So 0 square minus 0, then plus 1. So 0 square is 0 minus 0. So this will be 0. So what will be the answer? 1 is the answer. So p of 0 is equals to 1. Then same way p of 1. How will you do? P of 1. So in the place of y you have to substitute 1. So y square is 1 square minus y means 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1. Here minus 1 plus 1. So 1 and minus 1 get cancels, right? 1 minus 1 0, right? Plus 1. So p of 1 is also plus 1. So here you got right. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. P of 1 is equals to 1 itself. Next we will find p of 2. Next p of 2. In the place of y you will substitute 2. Okay. So y square is 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is what? 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4, right? 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So p of 2 is equals to 3. So you have found p of 1, p of 2 and p of 0. Next, third question. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals to minus 1. So you have to find the value of polynomial when x equals to minus 1. So we will write the polynomial. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So what they have said? Find the value of the polynomial at x equals to minus 1. So substitute. So this is the given polynomial. Take it as p of x. So at x equals to minus 1. So in the place of x you have to substitute minus 1. So what it becomes? P of minus 1 you have to find. So 5 into, nothing is there. Here it is into, right? Multiplication. Into x place you have to write minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. Now 5 ones are 5. Here minus 5. Next minus 4 into 1 square minus 1 square. Minus 1 square means plus 1, right? Here minus 1 into minus 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus minus plus. So plus 1 it will be. So into 1 plus 3. Okay. Minus 5. Minus 4 ones are 4. Minus 4 plus 3. Now same sign you have to add. Same sign means you have to add the numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9 and write the bigger number sign, minus 9 plus 3. Now different sign means you have to subtract the number. 9 minus 3 is 6 and write the bigger number sign. So bigger number is 9. 9 sign is minus. So answer is minus. So p of minus 1 is minus 6, or we can say at value of polynomial 5x minus 4x plus 3 at x equals to minus 1 is minus 6. Students, take down some homework problems. First one, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals to 0 and x equals to 2. So when x equals to 0 you have to find the value of polynomial, and x equals to 2 you have to find. Second one, find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. They have given 3 polynomials. You have to find for each, you have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. P of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Here what you have to do, in the place of t you have to substitute 0 and find the value, then 1 find the value, then 2 find the value. Next, p of x equals to x cube. Third one, p of x equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this is not in you have to simplify it. Either you can multiply like this, x to this, x to this, each term you have to multiply and write, or you can use the formula, in which form it is there, a plus b, a minus b, right? See, left hand side same and right hand side digits are same, x 1 1, but only the sign change, plus and minus. What is that formula? A plus b into a minus b. Here also, right, only sign change. So what is, say, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So what it becomes? X square minus 1 square, that is x square minus 1 is the polynomial. Then you have to find the value of p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. Or else what I said, this multiplication, how you will do this multiplication? To do the multiplication, what I have said before, you have to multiply each term to the other like this. So x into x, x square, then x into 1 is 1x, then minus 1 into x is minus x, minus plus minus, 1 ones are 1, then x and x cancel, plus x and minus x get cancelled, then what will be remaining? X square minus 1. See, you have got the same, x square minus 1, here also x square minus 1. So if you have in formula form, you can use that, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Sometimes it will not be in the formula form, that time you have to do the multiplication itself. For example, if they have given, instead of 1, if they have given x minus 2 and x plus 3, now you cannot apply that formula, because what that formula, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? See, left hand side and right hand side numbers in the brackets should be equal. Left hand side of the brackets and right hand side of the brackets should be equal. A and a, b and b. Here see, x 1 are equal, only the operations signs are changed, plus and minus was there. Same way here, plus and minus. But here, see here, left hand side is same, but right hand side, what about right hand side? Different, right? 2 and 3. So right hand sides are not same. So we cannot use this formula. We cannot use this formula for this. So that in that case you have to multiply each term. Then you will get a polynomial. Understood? So this is other from this I have just explained. So after finding this much, x square minus 1, you have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Students, solve these questions in your homework book. Thank you.